Seriously, Annie? Not a single diamond on the dress? On your wedding day, you look like a walking trash bag. How pathetic.
Arthur bought it himself. To me, it's priceless.
Priceless? That's just a fancy word for cheap.
Don't try to hide your poverty with all that sentiment. Regina, you think you won because you picked up my trash? Here's the thing. Once a cheater, always a cheater. Hold on tight. Your turn is coming.
Oh my god, is that Andrew? The genius designer? He actually showed up? No way! Andrew, I'm so glad you came. Thank you for designing this stellar star for me.
Regina, you look stunning in it, truly. Wait, that's impossible. That's Sophia's final piece. The original. This isn't ordinary satin. This is Aurora silk, a lost fabric, commissioned by the first head of Black Lion from the legendary Sophia herself. This dress, it's the sacred legacy for the true lady of the Empire. So you are Mrs. Davenport?
Wait, Annie married the head of Black Lion? Andrew, her husband's just some low-life farmer. Who knows where she got that knockoff?
No way! Look at the trip!
Look, it's Victor, GM of a Black Lion subsidiary. Now that's what real status looks like. Regina really married up.
I'm here for my bride, babe.
Annie, where's your farmer husband? Don't tell me he bailed on you. Dumped at the altar by a farmer? How embarrassing. If I were you, I'd find the nearest bridge and jump. Save the Hart family from your pathetic mess. Arthur will be here. Don't pretend you care.
Well, if no one shows up, I can have one of my security guys marry you.
Yeah. Maybe beg my husband. He'll find someone decent so you don't end up all alone. What is that smell? Disgusting. Oh my god, who shows up in a tractor? Is that cow shit I smell? Guess Annie's moving into a barn after this.
Sorry, I'm late. Something came up at the farm. Are you kidding me? You show up to a wedding in a tractor? You're dragging the Hart family name through the mud! Where's the bride prize?
You drove this here?
Not yet. I can't tell you who I really am. Annie, sorry about the tractor. I know.
Arthur, this is incredible. I never dreamed of a wedding like this. It's perfect.
You don't mind? Boss, your wedding car is ready. If she doesn't truly wants to marry me, this will tell me. We can still call it off.
I love it.
Then let's go home. Hold on tight. Wouldn't want you falling off. Careful.
Did you plant all of these?
Yeah, every bit of it.
It's beautiful.
Annie, welcome home. There's only one room, one bed.
You mean we're sleeping together? Well, it's not like we haven't already. Arthur, that's not funny. Arthur, you planned a ceremony?
I wanted a wedding that was just for us.
Maybe switching the brides was the right call.
Arthur Davenport, do you take Annie Hart to be your lawfully wedded wife? I do. This was the last thing my mother left me. Now, you're my wife. And this ring belongs to you.
I'll protect it with my life.
Annie, you should have slept in. I could have handled this.
I am used to it. Back at the Hearts, I would have starved if I did not cook for myself.
You do not have to live like that anymore. You have got me now. Morning, Annie. Nice weather today. Get some sun. Love you.
Mom, I found someone I can trust my life with. I am happy. Hey there, little one. Did you come because you knew how much we love each other? Arthur, you are going to be a dad.
Boss, the latest acquisition just cleared. We're looking at $1 billion profit. Why are you still staying out in the middle of nowhere? My mom grew up here, and there is still a lot of family matters unsettled. She will be safer here.
Arthur, you are going to be a dad.
Boss, what happened?
Carrick, I am gonna be a dad.
Victor? You are telling me the Black Lion boss lives in this dump?
No mistake. I paid $10 million for this intel. Last time I got blocked by security at headquarters and never saw the CEO. Not this time. I have heard he likes rural life. If we get on his good side, we are set for life.
Wait. This place? Is not this where that bitch Annie ended up?
It is. Perfect. Victor, before we meet the head of Black Lion, let's visit my dear sister. It is going to be hilarious.
Annie. Long time no see. Regina? God, this whole place reeks of poverty. I can barely breathe in here.
Regina, what gives you the right to touch my mother's photo?
Why so defensive, sis? Keeping pictures of dead people around is just bad luck. I'm doing you a favor.
This is my house! Get the hell out!
Your house?
Looks like you really like it here. Too bad, I don't. You actually use this garbage as decor? Regina! Stop! You're insane!
Bitch, watch your mouth! Don't you dare talk to my daughter like that! Oh my god! Annie, you're pregnant? With that farmer's kid? You're really trying to disgrace the Hart name, aren't you?
Disgusting.
That thing in her belly. We can't let it see the light of day, don't you think?
Regina! Don't my baby!
Wayne! I didn't expect you to come in person. I knew headquarters had their eye on me, but I didn't think the boss would send gifts. The boss ordered these supplements for Miss Annie Hart.
Click the link below to watch the full video.